Hello, welcome to Jnana Chilume, annual series of National Conference conducted by Faculty of Engineering and Technology, JAIN deemed to be University, Bangalore. I am Dr. Dushyanth, convener for the 5th edition of National Conference Jnana Chilume 2022, which is scheduled on 1st June 2022. Jnana Chilume is Spring of Knowledge, which was started in the year 2017. On an average, we have successfully completed 30 plus conferences with best optimization of time, cost, and resources. The conference provides a platform for all the budding researchers from academics and industry for presenting their work as well exchange of knowledge, which enhances the multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary concepts. Participation in national conference helps them to improvise their work based on the review by experts and also completing their first step in the process of research by publishing in the national conference through proceedings. We have a high rejection ratio of 1:5 to ensure the quality. Technical networking, exchange of information between accomplished researchers and the junior researchers, understanding the current trends and challenges are the takeaways from this national conference. The pre conference activities like webinars by industry experts, technical talks, and workshop by Mathworks Corporation Technologies are the additional benefits provided for all the registered participants through this national conference for free of cost. Please register at the earliest so that you don't miss out on any of these benefits. All the best.